Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial at Skill-Based YouTube channel. Today we would like to start with another tutorial which is called Project Control. In this lesson we will talk about some basic concepts and definitions of project control, and then we will go to more advanced options of learning project control. So the first thing that we need to know about project control is that what is a project? What do we call a project? Uh, so the first thing is that Project Management Institute, or PMI, defined a project as a combination of temporary activities to achieve a commitment to produce a product or provide a service. So if we are trying to design a new product, this would be a new project. Or if we are trying to provide a new service for our customers, this is also called a project. Or also if you are working on your master thesis or PhD thesis, these are also called a project. So the next thing that we need to consider and take into account is that what are the features of a project, so we can fully understand what is a project and what is not a project. So let's move on to project features. It is temporary, it will eventually end and it will eventually finish. For example, there is a time for it. For example, if you're working on your master thesis, you probably have 6 months to get to the conclusion, get to the result. During these 6 months is the timing of your project. So after the 6 month, you will get to the end of the project. So the project is over, so it will eventually finish, and it is temporary, maybe a short period of time or a long period of time, but it will eventually end. And the second feature of a project is that it has got some goals, or it has got a certain goal. For example, you need to provide a service. So the goal is to provide a service for this project, or to design a new product to get to the result of research. So you have some goals, and during the project you are trying to achieve that goal and planning to achieving that goal. And the last but not the least is that there are some limitations for any project, such as timing, location, budget, etc. There are many different types of projects in the world, all around the world. However, here I have mentioned some of them. The first project that would be really interesting is civil projects. For example, building a dam, or highways, or buildings, etc. And the second one would be cultural project. For example, making a movie, holding a conference. These things are called cultural project. And research projects, as I mentioned earlier, maybe conducting research or R&D, research and development activities, or your thesis at master's level or PhD level. Another thing is systematic projects. For example, implementing ISO in a company, or Six Sigma, etc. And also construction of a fixed product is also a project. For example, building a ship. And what is project management? This is very tricky, and you need to understand the differences between project control and project management. So the project management is using all the knowledge, skills, various tools and techniques in order to achieve the goal of our project. And project management processes are a combination of the following processes: beginning processes, planning processes, implementing processes, and after implementing them, we need to control the processes, and ending processes. These are the main general idea about the management, about the project management processes. And in next tutorials, we will go further and talk a little bit about different activities and work breakdown, structure, and other things that are related to project management and project control. So make sure you like this video and share it if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for more related videos. Thank you very much. Bye.